Hi, welcome. This video is about ArcoLinux Logout. We're on this machine, our flagship. Well, actually it's a cruise ship because I've installed so much more of applications. Well, basically all of them. What I want to show in this video is just about ArcoLinux Logout, but it can be expanded a little bit more to all the other ArcoLinux applications. When we press Super X, we get this beautiful logout screen, right? We can cancel it, logout, reboot, shut down, suspend, hibernate, and log. Now you can actually say, I just want to see this one, that one, that one, and that one. For instance, you can edit these icons. Here you have also a button to edit the opacity. Let's go for a little bit of change so you see what's going on. And font size a little bit bigger as well then. Something like that. White, maybe another color, red. Save the settings, cancel it, Super X, and you have these guys. You see? So it's all up to you to decide what you like, what color you like. If anything, I prefer orange. And let's go back to something a little bit smaller in size. Save settings, don't forget, cancel, Super X, and we have this. So that's our ArcoLinux Logout, some settings that are in here, and we can set also the better lock screen. So that's the lock. When you press the button lock, actually another application kicks in, and with the ArcoLinux better lock screen you can change the lock, right? So that's cool, that's all good. Now the video is here because I just had an issue, and you can have that issue too. This is a distro to learn Arch Linux, to learn ArcoLinux. The same applies for our applications, right? ArcoLinux Logout is an application. And when we press Super Shift Enter, we go to our own home directory, right? Like this. And when we press Ctrl H, we see the hidden directories. And in the .config, we have the ArcoLinux tweak tool, settings and all that. So these can go wrong, or you can change them per accident, or etc, right? Learning, editing, changing, and things that can go wrong are things in here. For example, you can say, I don't want to see suspend, hibernate. You don't want to have that. So you say, I'm gonna delete these guys and save this, Super X, and it's just these guys now, which is great, right? It's personal. It's personalization. You like this the way it is, or maybe opacity, I wanted to have it on 60 or something, so you can go to this particular file and change things. But things can go wrong, and that's why the video is here, right? The lock is an application that we decided to use, and that's the better lock screen. So you can also add the seconds here. We've omitted those seconds because of the fact, well, it was always counting was not nice to see, and well, you could change your lock application if you like that, but we are going to stick with this one. The theme is orange, so the other colors were present. So anything that now goes wrong, if I did not do any wrong text or typo or something like that, and ArcoLinux Logout does not function anymore, and that's why this video is here. I had just that issue because, of course, we experiment with all these settings, and we have new versions and dev versions and beta versions, and we try them out. And what do? You go in here and you can actually delete this. There is no problem. This file, delete the button, right? Select delete keyboard button. Super X, watch, it can be seen a little bit through the transparency. Here you see a new file already. The buttons, the color, everything is back to normal. And here it is, the file that you got now. Because there was no file, that's the reason, of course. If there is no file, then we get it from here. etc arcologout.conf. So that happened, right? Wrong settings, delete them, start again, and you get these settings in your home directory again. And then you can start from scratch and say, okay, did something wrong, probably did something like this, like that, etc, etc. And you save the settings and everything is cool again. So that's the tip for the video. And actually it applies to many applications, not ArcoLinux applications only. If configurations are wrong, start again from scratch. And where is the scratch? You know it. It's the etc scal. That's going to be always your backup folder. Always. What's in here you can't normally change because you need to be sudo to write there. So this is your backup. This is what originally has been developed, written by ArcoLinux. So this should be correct. All right, enjoy. No, I almost forgot. So the second attempt to make the video, I almost forgot again. So sudo pacman -s. Maybe you did not notice, and I don't want it to be on the ISO for megabytes reasons and all that, but there is a logout themes git. Maybe you'd like to have that as well. Well, you need to install it with a little script later on. ArcoLinux Logout themes. So we have these beautiful icons, and those are going to be standard. But we have a package where we can add stuff that other people create. So if you say, I want to have this or that button to exit, all we need are SVGs. So save settings, Control X, and that's it, right? So take a look what exactly we need. It's only an SVG and a certain size, and then colors and all that's up to you. So if you want to be creative and say, look, that's a good idea to start a little bit with icon creation, right? Sardi fire is probably going to be red, right? Fire. No, it's orange. So cancel, and so on and so on. So if you feel creative and want to make more icons for the ArcoLinux Logout, user, share, have to think where's gonna be the themes. Well, you don't have to think, you just need to know the application here. ArcoLinux Logout themes, use it. Files are in user share ArcoLinux Logout themes, that's where it is. And then you download, for instance, the folder blood, and you start changing them. And these are the names we need. We don't blur at this point in time. I did not blur anything. Everything stays the same when you go over it, because that's an option we have, right? But this is just standard icons, nothing to blur, but there's a possibility. Check out the white guys, then you know what I mean. Or an orange guy. We have already shown an orange guy. Let's show a yellow guy. Save settings. And that's the blurring. When you move over it, it's actually another icon that is replaced. All right, so enjoy ArcoLinux. So the most important thing, the reason why this video has been created, is the fact that you can delete the file in here, and then you start from scratch and everything will be correct. All right, cheers.